Hey guys, we are here in Hawaii finally. We've been in the airport and the plane since I think 9 o'clock this morning. We're here in Hawaii, it's about 8 o'clock, which is like 2:30 our time. We finally rented a car, we're finally eating dinner, and we're about to go do our family tradition at Walmart. So after that, hopefully we get this video started, we can get some fun time. We'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow.
Good morning!
Good morning. It is right now in Hawaii 5 o'clock in the morning, but it's like 11 o'clock our time, so we're pretty wide awake, which is awesome. We're about to embark on a sunset hike up to a little sunrise hike up to a little lighthouse. We're super excited about it. We got Mom coming with us too. She's gonna make the trek, and then maybe we might go play in some waterfalls down at the bottom, and we'll see you guys at the top of the lighthouse. Later, guys. Oh, it's dark.
The sun is rising, rising.
We're going to hike to the lighthouse.
I see.
Hopefully it won't be too hard.
Rising.
Go. Mom's coming through. Mom, look at our nice bubble.
Everybody's awakening. They're on their way. All because you're making a new Hawaiian day. Good morning, Hawaii. You have been sleeping for too long. Good morning, Hawaii. You are the empress of my heart. Why don't you wake up, wake up? Why don't you wake up, wake up? You, yeah, you. I see you opening your eyes, coloring the sky so nice. And when you enter the room, everything begins to bloom. Your mountains keep me smiling. Your oceans keep me cool, yeah. People come to see these islands to catch a glimpse of you. Good morning, Hawaii. You have been sleeping for too long. Good morning, Hawaii. You are the empress of my heart. Why don't you wake up, wake up? Why don't you wake up, wake up? Why don't you? Yeah. The moment you start rising. Oh yeah, yo yo. Oh yeah, yo yo. Maoli once again. Oh she mine. Sunshine. Oh the sweet woman give me good vibe, good life. Yes she mine. Sunshine. Oh the sweet woman give me good vibe, good life. Tell me when love and stay, baby come swing my way. Tell me when love and stay. Tell me you're here to stay. Love it when I see your face in the morning. Makes me feel good, no doubt. It's written now, signed and sealed. Oh, this love letter never let me down. So baby, put your sugar in me coffee. Let me taste your sweet cream liquor, mommy. Oh, I love it when you're down for your daddy. Oh, she mine. Oh, she mine. Shine. Oh, the sweet woman give me good vibe, good life. Yes, she mine. Sunshine. Oh, the sweet woman give me good vibe, good life. Tell me when love and stay, baby come swing my way. Tell me when love and stay. Tell me you're here to stay. Oh look what you done to me. Blame like them harmonies, yeah. Now we got a little something going on. Hit me with your playlist, go song for song. Come and let your good vibes play. Oh yeah, never want this feeling go away. Alright, so give me one time, come put it heavy on me. Now give me two times, so put your loving on me. Now give me three times, come put it heavy on me. And we keep doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it. Say no one else can do it like you. Make it less if you want to. Everything I do for you. Because she mine, sunshine. Oh, the sweet woman give me good vibe, good life. Yes, she mine, sunshine. Oh, the sweet woman give me good vibe, good life. Tell me when love is stay, baby, come swing my way. Tell me when love is stay. Tell me you're here to stay. Well, it's a celebration.
Hey, we are in Waimea Valley. It is a botanical garden and it also has a waterfall. We're gonna go check it out and see what it has in store for us.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where